Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install LibreWolf for Linux. So at the beginning we will go into the browser and I will go on the official LibreWolf site. So we will type in LibreWolf for Linux, like this, and we have LibreWolf site, librewolf.net, and installation instructions. What is LibreWolf? LibreWolf is of course a browser that is, I would say, privacy focused, and it's based on Firefox. So we'll go into it, and here we have installation instructions. Select your operating system. So as you can see, we have, for example, Arch Linux, Fedora, OpenSUSE, other Linux distribution. We will use Debian-based because I'm on the Ubuntu distribution, so I have to choose that. I will click on this, and here we have some options. The first one is main Debian repository. We will use it. The second one is Debian Unstable. This is an unofficial, I would say, way to install it. So you have to do some comments that are more complicated. But we'll use the first one because this is the easiest. So it looks like this. Of course, if you have the different Linux distribution, you have to choose the different one, and you have to simply copy this comment, for example, for Fedora, or OpenSUSE, you have some comments like this, or you can copy that. So I will go back to Debian-based, and I will go into my terminal, and right there, at the beginning, we have to do sudo apt update and sudo apt install extrepo in order to make it work. So I will type in, I will press paste. I will type in my password. And right now we have to wait a bit. I will make it a little bit bigger. And as you can see, reading package. And now we are installing our repository, I think. So now we have to do sudo extrepo enable LibreWolf. This is the second command that we need to use to make it work. So paste. And the last one is sudo apt update and installation of our LibreWolf. So I will paste that, and we have to wait again for our update. And now we are installing our LibreWolf. So now our LibreWolf should be installed. So the first way to open it is just by going into this apps, and here you have an icon of LibreWolf. You can click on that, and we can simply use our LibreWolf browser. The second way I think that should work is typing in LibreWolf in terminal and pressing enter. As you can see, it is also working, so we can start it from the icon, from there, or from the terminal. And this is how you can install LibreWolf on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.